Hey everyone, I'm Maddox, your national trend artist from Benefit Cosmetics Canada. I am so excited to share my favorite recipe for brighter, younger, more well-rested looking eyes. First up, you need an industrial strength concealer to cover those dark circles. I'm going to take a little bit here with my artist brush, and we're going to apply it right into the inner corner of Alana's eyes and brush it across to the outer corner. What's really unique about this full coverage concealer is that it disappears into your skin. There will be no lines of demarcation. It's seamless. Again, we'll pat in the inner corner of the eye and blend outward. Next up, after you've brightened those dark circles, you're gonna go in and frame your eyes with Roller Lash Mascara. What's really unique about Roller Lash is it's the lifting and curling formulation. The brush is also very unique. It's a curved brush that we call the hook and roll brush. It'll catch onto every lash, short, stubby, or straight, and give it a good lift and curl. Give it a bump and wiggle, and pull through from root to tip. Look at how the wand gets real close to the roots, even for tiny bottom lashes. Next up, this is my favorite top secret weapon. This is Roller Eye Bright Pencil. This is a baby pink pencil that you put in the waterline of your eyes to pop them even more, brighten them even more, and whiten your eyes. Now that your dark circles are gone, your lashes are long, and your eyes are bright, we gotta make sure we frame everything nicely with Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Fiber Gel. This is the ultimate finishing product that will just give you youthful looking eyes. And there you have it. Say bye-bye to dark circles, because that's my recipe for brighter, younger, more well-rested looking eyes. To shop more of the Benefit collection, check us out on tsc.ca. If you enjoyed learning with us, make sure you hit the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on another great tutorial from Benefit.